Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Friday, January 17. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we'll be looking at the chart of Russell. This is the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index 45 minutes chart. We can see right here this pullback on January the 8th ended with 4. Okay, in the red degree. So since then the index has continued to rally higher, so we are now within the wave 5 here, and the wave 5 as expected subdivides into 5 waves. So you have wave 1 of 5 here. Wave 1 itself again subdivides into another 5 waves. This is what in the Elliott Wave principle this is called fractal, right? And then here we got this wave 2 pullback, and it has resumed higher again. So now we are within the wave 3 of 5, right? And you can see again, even within the wave 3 we have a nest. This is 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and now we are in the 3 of 3, right? So overall then we should continue to see further upside in the Russell, and against this in the first degree January 16 we should continue to push higher. Now so if you measure the extension from the lows here from January 8, okay, typically wave 3 is the longest, and currently we are already above the 100%, and it can continue to go up until we hit the 1.618, which is the 161.8% extension, which is 1732. So that is a potential target for just the wave 3 in black. All right, and then after that we can do a pullback and then higher again to finish a 5 waves up from this January 8. Okay, so if I take a look at it from this perspective of January 8, so far I have one cycle, and this is another cycle, and I will consider this entire rally to be in the same cycle. So all I have from this low is only a 3 swing. So far I only see a 3 swing. So if we are going to be looking at 5 waves, this is missing at least at minimum one more leg higher, right? Because it needs to be E5 waves. So worst case that can happen here is, if there is any kind of detour, is going to be that we start the wave 4 in black, you know, maybe after marginal high and then starting to pull back or something like that, which is possible. It's always possible. For example, I can call this wave 3 in blue, this is wave 4 in blue, and this is wave 5 in blue, ending wave 3 in black, and then do the bigger pullback. That doesn't make it bearish, right? It looks to me still is only 3 swings, so I'm expecting no matter what, I'm expecting at least at minimum one more leg higher to finish a 5 waves. Now looking at the larger degree now, here is the daily. Now this is not a full count, only partial count here, partial label. As always, you can always try our service to get more ideas about different time frames and what we expect. Now here on the daily we can see I put down this wave 4 in the red here, right? This is the same place. So this is your 3, this is your 2, this is your 1. So basically we have 5 waves starting from August 26 last year, and we are now ending within the wave 5 in the red. But as you can see here, like I explained earlier, the subdivision so far I only see 3 swing, so you need to have at least one more leg higher before it can potentially end this entire rally and then do a bigger pullback. Okay, so of course it's not going to be it's not meant to be faded, right? It's not really a sign that you should sell it or anything like that. Now unless you have long from here and you take profit, that's a different story, but it's not like an opening, it's not an open position to short or something like that, right? It can continue to extend higher due to the nature of an impulsive structure, 5 waves. It can always extend as much as it wants. So again here, if we just focus on the shorter cycle, then we can conclude that this rally likely is not over yet, and we could continue to see further upside, and any dips is going to continue to find support in 3711 swing. All right, So hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe, and I will provide the link to trial 14 days trial, as well as our promotion in the description of the video below. And have a good weekend, everyone. I'll see you all again next week.